Okay, hello guys. So today we want to discuss about compound interest. Compound interest is calculated more than once during the term of loan investment, and this interest is added to principal. Next, principal plus interest they become the principal for net calculation of interest, and interest charge is this new amount. So compound interest differ from simple interest because in simple interest, the principal not change and the interest charge is only original principal only. Okay, next, let's know about the formula in compound interest. The first one is interest equals to S minus P. The second one, S equals P 1 plus I square N. And the last one is P equals to S over 1 plus I square N.
Next, S equal to compound amount, maturity value, future value, accumulated value of the N, and amount of the N. P equal to original principal, amount borrowed, amount invested, amount of loan, and present value. I equal to interest rate per interval. I equal R. N equal to number of the time interest is compounded throughout term. N equal M multiply T. Lastly, interest equal to amount of interest compounded or compounded interest. In case study 1, question A, the principal amount 20,000 and the annual interest rate is 5.54% and the interest is compounded semi-annually. Now we bring out the information. P equal to 20,000, M equal to T equal 5 years, N equal 10, R equal 5.54%, and I 0.0554 divided to. In this question, the formula that we use is S equal to P 1 plus R over M and T square. And the answer is S equal 20,000 1 plus 0.027777 10 square. S equal 20,000 multiply 1.314206,362, and the answer is S equal 26284.13. For Istiqomah Bank, we can use same formula as in Vijaya Bank but with different information. First, we must bring out all the information. P equal to 20,000, M equal 4, T equal 5 years, N equal 20, R equal 5.75%, and I equal to 0.0575 divided by 4. Then we put all the information into the formula, and the answer is S equal 1 plus 0.014375 20 square. S equal 20,000 multiply 1.330364,794, and the answer is S equal 26607.30.
So let's move to question B. Question B, the answer is based on calculation in part A, Istiqamah Bank should be chosen to borrow the loan. It charges slightly less interest, RM 675,608 compared to Berjaya Bank, RM 6809.17. So Istiqamah Bank offer a better deal in terms of total interest charge. So let's move to question C. Question C is after 3 years, the bank change the rate to 6% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. So we must find the first 3 years. So take out the information. The P is 20,000, M 2, T 3 years, N 6, and the interest rate 0.0554 and the I 0.0554 over 2. So use the formula S equals to P 1 plus I square N. Substitute the formula into the substitute the information to the formula and then you get the answer. So when you find the 3 years first and the balance is 2 years. So you should find the 2 years. So use the same formula S equals to P 1 plus I square N. And then you substitute the information into the formula and then you get the answer to 6559.12 for the 2 years. So the last one is total interest paid. Total interest paid, you should take 26559.12 minus 20,000. So the last answer is 6559.12.
For case 2, part A, which option should Mr. Asri choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. So we got A equals to 3,500,000 and R equals to 10,000 and the interest rate equals to 0.009 and M equals to 12 and the I equals to 0.009 over 12, which is the M. So we got to find the T. So we use the feature value formula, which is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I negative N square over I. So we got the N, which is the answer of N is 406.14. So we use the N equal to M divided with T multiply with T to find the T, and we got 33.85. So Mr. Asri should choose option 1 because Mr. Asri will get more money compared to option 2 because the option 1 got more years compared to option 2. For part B, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. So the A equals to 11,000 minus 1,100 and we got 9,900. So the interest rate equals to 0.08 and the I equals to 0.08 over 12 since we use equal monthly payment. And the T equals to 60 month and the N equals to 60 over 12 multiply with 12 and we got 60. So we use the same formula, which is the feature value formula to get the R. And we got R, which is 200 and 200.74. That's equal to monthly payment. And we got to find the interest charge, which is use I equals to N multiply with R minus A. And we got the answer RM 20,144 ringgit and 40 cents.
So for the question C, if you want to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 20 monthly payment for the first installment, the question is how much additional payment does he have to make? R, we have 200.74, R equal to 0.08, M equal to 12, T equal to 40 over 12, N equal to 40, and I equal to 0.08 over 12. And we're going to use same formula. So the answer is A equal to 7027.71. Next, to Romans. The question is, how much interest is paid? For this question, I will use formula I equal to NR minus A. The answer is I equal to 1001.89 ringgit. So for the next question, D, if he has not paid his first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pay on his first payment to settle all outstanding areas? So for this question, I will gonna use formula S equal to R 1 plus I n square minus 1 over I. R we have 200.74, R equal to 0.08, T equal to 1 over 3, M equal to 12, N equal to 4, and I equal to 0.08 over 12. So the answer will be S equal to 811.02.